5 tips for using Instagram hashtags for more exposure. Ever wondered why your Instagram isn't growing the way you think it should? Ever felt like other accounts are having more success than you? There are lots of factors that influence the growth of Instagram accounts, but one of the use of hashtags. Hashtags are what allow people to find pictures in the search, and they're a way to get into the feeds of people who aren't following you, seeing as you can follow a topic this way. If nobody knows who you are, the quality of your photos and the smart use of hashtags are all you have to reach a wider audience. Listen up then, and we'll discuss how you can smartly use hashtags for big success on Instagram. Get a range. Hashtags are rated in terms of their popularity and use. When you start typing a term into Instagram to use as a hashtag, you'll get a little preview that shows you how many times that hashtag has been used. Obviously, the more popular the hashtag, the greater the potential audience. However, this also means that you'll be going up against a lot more competition. What's the sweet spot? Some advice recommends calculating this based on your number of followers, but better advice is just to cover a broad spectrum. So you may have some broad and popular tags with 15 million posts, but also some much smaller ones with 1,000 or 10,000 posts. Consider using branded hashtags. Branded hashtags are hashtags of your company or product name. This can be a great way to help people find you that already know what you do, and to tie your different posts together in one place. Use them all. You can place 30 tags on your images, which means 30 opportunities to get discovered. Why would you post any less? As one influencer put it, if you have 30 free opportunities to play the lottery, don't just play once. You do not get penalized for using lots of hashtags, so go for broke. Know the community. One of the most important tips for success is to have a genuine love and knowledge of the industry, community that you're posting in. If you're in this business just because you saw an opportunity to make money, then you will lack the insider knowledge that can lead to big success. Hashtags are just one way this comes out in the wash. No matter what industry or topic you're posting in, there will be phrases and terms that are widely used in the community. For example, the new movement culture often uses the phrase "just move" that was coined by guru Ido Portal. This therefore works as an ideal tag that is followed by a lot of people. Don't know what I'm talking about? Then chances are you won't have the inside scoop that can help you reach your target audience. Borrow ideas. Still stuck? The final tip I'll leave you with then is to try looking at successful accounts that you would like to emulate. This is a free way to get hashtag ideas that you know have potential to be highly successful.
Hey, this is Chad Pornoa. Thanks again for watching this video. What I'd like to do is offer you a free opportunity to get a powerful backlink builder for your YouTube videos. All you need to do is click the link below this video and you'll get a copy of our 2 backlink builder software for 100% free, plus with YouTube SEO training that will show you in 8 different videos how to make sure that your YouTube channel videos are getting ranked high in the YouTube rankings and Google. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.